Hi, my name is Dan Redding. I usually go by Mr. Dan, and this will be my 10th year teaching, second year at STEM Prep Academy. I might teach sixth grade Project Lead the Way on two courses, the first one being Flight and Space, and the second one being Automation and Robotics. Flight and Space has some really fun projects in it. One of them, they get to experience a flight simulator that we have in class, and the next one that I really enjoyed is they get to build a glider like this. They do a lot of simulations on the computer first, and then they print out and have to cut and assemble their own glider from balsa wood like this. They even have to test it out, add weights, move pieces around, and this is a really fun project that they get to do. Now, in automation and robotics, there is a lot of independence for students to learn a challenge and then have to build something to solve it. Take a look at these students here. They're kind of working on one of their initial problems, and they're working in a group. They have all sorts of the freedom they need to go get pieces, to build things, to change them, and to discuss and debug on their own. One of the later projects that students do is they'll build a toy for kids, and that toy kind of looks like this. I've got a little video of what it looks like. You can see it's pretty fun, and it's all about connecting and moving power from one space to another. And so much of that is there's a lot of creativity that students can exhibit, as well as problem solving and understanding big problems. Through these engineering and PLTW classes, or Project Lead the Way classes, students get to access a lot of engineering experiences that they might not have otherwise. And a lot of my students have been like, whoa, I didn't realize that this is what an engineer does, or I didn't realize that science could be this fun if we got to build and do so much hands-on work. So thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you and your students and your kiddos in our classes in the future. Thanks.